You've heard the slogan, "Make America Great Again." Well, politics isn't exactly my area of expertise. In my opinion, church trumps politics. But I do know what it takes to make church great again. This is Tom Miller, and I'm running for re-election as pastor of Central Assembly of God in Superior, Wisconsin. And this is Fuel for the Fire, volume 644. Today we launch our new campaign slogan, "Make Church Great Again." My platform consists of 3 proposals. First, attend. We live in a world where there are lots of demands on our time, but our success depends on high voter turnout. One problem is we are so mobile that we can drop everything at a moment's notice and run here, there, and everywhere. Church seems to have fallen down the list of priorities, now ranks somewhere below work, entertainment, leisure, and kids. Everything seems to trump church. I know you can't be there every week, and it's okay to miss occasionally for the right reason. But I worry about the message we send to undecided voters when we miss for those less than stellar reasons. And remember this, church is better when you're there. So show up. It's one way to make church great again. My second campaign proposal to make church great again is serve. Something changes in the church equation when we go from observing to serving. When we serve, it means we have some skin in the game. It becomes our church. We have something invested and we care at a new level. And serving connects us like nothing else can. There's nothing like standing shoulder to shoulder with other believers involved in a common mission. It's one way to make church great again. And third, give. Giving is another investment we make that knits our hearts together as the body of Christ. Giving is a powerful statement and declares to the world exactly where you're at. Peripheral Christians and new believers don't tend to give much. The wallet is generally the last thing that gets saved. But nothing trumps the freedom and blessing you discover when you surrender it all to the Spirit of God and begin to walk in obedience. So there you have it. Attend, serve, and give. That's how you cast your ballot. That's how we can make church great again. I'm Tom Miller, and I approve this message. And remember, I love you guys.